Start iiQWorks.AppBuilder. Create a new KOP file. In this example, we will call our KOP myIoGripper. Fill out all the mandatory fields and click on Finish. As gripper model, we will use the college gripper. Go to iiQWorks.Sim eCatalog, Public Models, iiQWorks.Sim Library, Miscellaneous Grippers. Right-click on the college gripper and select Show in Explorer. Copy the path. Now add the gripper model to the KOP. In the structure tree, right-click on iiQWorks.Sim Plugins, Independent 3D Models and select Add Files. Use the college gripper path to add it. Now, open the KOP properties. Right-click on myIoGripper and select Properties. Make sure that the Auto Increment Build Number is selected. Save the KOP and export it by going to File, Export KOP. Now let's test our KOP. For that, open iiQWorks.Sim. Make sure no project is opened. Go to File, Options, Add-on. Manage. The 4 basic KOPs were previously installed in iiQWorks.Sim. Let's add the iiQKA.AppRuntime dependency, then our KOP. Go to iiQWorks.Cockpit in the software repository. Click on the iiQKA.AppRuntime KOP and install it in iiQWorks.Sim. Select the version and profile where to install it. If the iiQKA.AppRuntime option package is not visible, restart iiQWorks.Sim. Now let's add our KOP. By default, it can be found in the KOP folder, in the bin folder. Once the KOP is added, iiQWorks.Sim needs to be restarted to load our catalog element. After iiQWorks.Sim is restarted, we can now see our gripper model in the eCatalog, under Option Packages, myIoGripper. Finally, let's create an instance with our KOP. In the eCatalog, under iiQWorks.Sim Library, KUKA Robots, double-click on a robot to place it in the center of the scene. Here we will work with a KR10 R1100-2. Add our gripper model to the robot's flange. Click on the robot and in the Component Properties tab, under Option Packages Configuration Available Options, add the 4 basics KOPs, iiQKA Common Applications Messages, iiQKA UI, iiQKA UI Creator, and iiQKA User Tech. Finally, add our myIoGripper KOP. Go to the Configuration tab and click on Deploy Configuration onto Controller. Save the layout. Select your computer. The address should be localhost. Select Finish to deploy and create a new instance. Once the deployment is finished, go to iiQWorks.Cockpit. In the Home tab, you can see the instances available on your laptop. To start our instance, log in as expert. The KUKA Device Manager credentials should by default be User, Administrator, and Password KUKA. Once you are logged in, click on the instance and select Start as VRC to start the instance as Virtual Robot Controller. In the Option Packages tab, you can observe that our iiQGripper KOP is installed. After a moment, the instance is running and we can continue to build our KOP.
Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow the KUKA channel for more updates and more exciting content. If you're looking for hands-on training, Visit the KUKA College to enhance your skills. See you in the next video.
Making automation easier.